wacu mukuru.
We are together with guest honor.
Honorable Maître Moise ave hasi mu zubahiro bye.
Honorable
agihagaze nani bavuze abagwanashaka, reka tubasabe abavandimwe bavuye mu gihugu cyacu cya Kongo
to stand on their feet.
bana namwe kuri uyu munsi.
We are happy to be together with you today.
Umunsi ukomeye w'amateka, ubwo twibuka bacu bazize uko baremwe.
As we remember,
twese mwumve kuko tubakiriye buri wese mu mwanya we tutarenze tuvuga.
Feel welcomed in your seats.
Yes, abari ku nanga rero baraza kudufasha bacogoza iyo nanga, hanyuma tuze kongera gufata umwanya twibuka bacu bazize uko baremwe. Turibuka twiyubaka, nanone kandi duharanira yuko ibyabaye bitazigera byongera kandi kuba. Twibuka yuko turi mu mwanya wacu ndetse n'uwabo abatagihari.
Thank you.
Gashinga igiti,
they would mount a stick
hanyuma bakacambika uniform,
and now go to their own camp.
Wabyuka kuko twati zabaga kure.
Once we woke up,
ubyutse nijoro ukabona igiti kirashinze bacambise twambika ibintu turimo turinda iwacu.
You would wake up and think that it's just over, and think that they are here to protect. We were alone and people had already fled.
Later on,
we were to go in a congregation. We know that all of us are God-fearing. So at night, that's when we heard the gunfires. When they were bulleting and doing all those things, we told us that they are just doing the raidings. Nyagazura was slaughtered. They removed the kid in her belly and killed the baby, the unborn baby, an unborn child. Whatever I'm saying is what they were saying.
Saba mu rwego n'ubundi rwo gukomeza guha agaciro abacu no kubaha uyu muhango.
I also request
Naza gusaba umuntu atwemerere yinjire muri sale.
you're also going to allow me, as the way we attended this ceremony,
Tuze gusoreza hamwe twese.
for us to wind up together.
Muri uyu muhango wo abacu
In this event of remembrance, ones,
turi kumwe n'abatumirwa batandukanye.
we are together. We are together with different departments of leadership in our community.
Turi kumwe n'abahagarariye amatorero.
We are together with church leaders.
Turi kumwe n'abarokotse bwaba ubwicanyi bwa Gatumba ndetse n'ubwa Bibogobogo.
We are together with the survivors of Gatumba massacre and the Bibogobogo massacre.
Turi kumwe n'abanyamurenge baturutse mu turere dutandukanye.
And we are together with different leaders in different regions.
Kubw'ibyo muze kunyemerera maze twakire umuyobozi wacu Chairman Gategeko.
For that, allow me to welcome our chairman
Igirana imbere atugezeho ijambo ry'ikaze.
to step in front as he gave us his speech.
banyakubahwa bayobozi,
Honorables and leaders,
banyamurenge n'inshuti zacu,
Banyamulenge members and our friends,
mwebwe mwese muteraniye aha turabaramukije.
everyone gathered here, we greet you.
Turi hano uyu munsi wa none twibuka abacu bazize uko baremwe.
We are here in remembering our beloved one who have been killed because of who they were.
Mu gihugu cya Kongo, mu gihugu cy'u Burundi ndetse no muri Kongo, Bibogobogo ndetse n'ahandi hose mu gihugu cyacu cya Kongo.
In Burundi, Gatumba, and in Congo, and also other places where they have been killed.
Turibuka abacu uyu munsi wa none.
We remember our beloved one today
Bishwe bazira uko baremwe.
who have been killed because of who they were.
Itariki 13 z'ukwezi kwa munani 2024.
On the 13 August 2004.
Nanone turibuka abacu bazize uko baremwe mu Bibogobogo ndetse n'ahandi hose mu gihugu cyacu cya Kongo.
We also remember our beloved one who have been killed in Bibogobogo and also other places in our country, Congo.
Rero abari hano mwese,
And for you who are here today,
tukaba twishimiye kubakira muri iki cyicaro.
we are glad to welcome you in this gathering,
Kubwo kuza gufatikanya natwe ndetse no gufatikanya n'abacikacumu bagiye bacika icumu mu turere twose kuko tuvuye ko tubivuga.
for joining us today and also joining the survivors who survived in different killings that we have mentioned.
Banyakubahwa mwese muri hano,
Honorables who are here today,
abanyamurenge mwese muteraniye aha,
the Banyamulenge members who are here today,
urubyiruko ndetse n'abana bacu mwese muri hano.
the youth and also our kids who are here today.
Twishimiye kubana
Be with you today
kubwo kuza gufatikanya twese
bring our beloved ones.
rero ingeri zose nkuko tuvuye kubavuga
That we have mentioned,
turabakiriye.
we welcome you.
Turi kumwe n'abacikacumu
We are together with survivors,
ba Gatumba,
Gatumba massacre survivors,
turi kumwe n'abacikacumu ba Bibogobogo,
and we also together with the survivors in Bibogobogo.
turi kumwe n'abacikacumu b'impande zose bagiye bacika icumu mu gihugu cyacu cya Kongo.
And also together with the survivors who survived in different killings that took place.
mwese turabakiriye muri iki cyicaro
We welcome all of you in this gathering today.
kandi tubaha mpore mwebwe mwese.
And by passing our condolences to you.
Turi kumwe n'abayobozi n'abayobozi ba community.
We are together with community leaders.
Mu byubahiro byanyu mwumve kuko tubakiriye hano.
We do respect you and recognize your presence in this gathering today.
Nanone turi kumwe n'ubuyobozi bw'abamama.
We are together with women leadership.
Namwe turabakiriye muri kino cyicaro.
We also recognize your presence in this gathering.
Tukaba turi kumwe nanone n'abagwanashaka.
We are together.
Namwe turabakiriye muri kino cyicaro.
We also recognize you in this gathering.
Turi kumwe n'abashitsi bacu abatumirwa.
We are together with guest honors.
Abavandimwe bacu.
Brethren.
Baturanyi bacu b'abakongomani bagenzi bacu bandi moko.
Our neighbors, Congolese from other tribes.
Reka tubasabe bave hasi.
Let's request them to stand on their feet as we welcome them.
Twishimiye kubana namwe kuri uyu munsi.
We are happy to be together with you today.
Umunsi w'amateka uremereye imitima yacu.
A special day, a heavy one in our hearts.
Ariko kuza kwifatikanya natwe n'iby'agaciro kuri twe.
But we recognize your presence for coming to join us today.
Tubihaye agaciro kandi turabakiriye mwiki hasi.
We recognize it and we welcome you.
Turi kumwe n'umutumirwa wacu mukuru.
We are together with guest honor.
Honorable Maître Moise ave hasi mu byubahiro bye.
Honorable
agihagaze na navuze abagwanashaka reka tubasabe abavandimwe bavuye mu gihugu cyacu cya Kongo
to stand on their feet.
Bana namwe kuri uyu munsi.
We are happy to be together with you today.
Umunsi ukomeye w'amateka. Ubwo twibuka bacu bazize uko baremwe.
As we remember.
Twese mwumve kuko tubakiriye buri wese mu mwanya we tutarenze tuvuga.
Feel welcomed in your seats. May God bless you.
Rakoze cyane ubuyobozi.
Honorable.
Nifuzaga ko gusaba na chairman mukuru gategeko yigira imbere.
And also chairman to step in front also.
None umushitsi wacu Tumaini araza gutambukana na bishop bari kumwe.
And also our sister.
Araza gusaba abahagarariye Fondation Gatumba muraduha abantu bane.
May I request the leader of Gatumba Foundation.
Araza gusaba nanone bane bari buve muri Fondation y'Ibibogobogo.
And also to request 4 people from Bibogobogo Foundation to step in front.
Araza gusaba nanone wa chef muri rusange, chef Semahoro nimba ari hafi yatambuka imbere.
Let's request those and the region chiefs.
Ndetse na chef Kanezio nimba bari hafi batambuka. Araza gusaba abahagarariye.
We are going to request those who are
Sabe Alliance ya Agape, Alliance ya Shalom ndetse na Evangelico baraduha umuntu umwe. Reka nze gusaba nanone Bishop John ndetse na Bishop Muzungu na Bishop Joseph kuva muri Amerika bigirana imbere.
May I request also the bishops I mentioned their names to step in front.
Nanone ndaza gusaba Apostle Joseph ndetse na Bisengo batambuka.
I also request Apostle Joseph and Apostle Bisengo to step in front.
Nanone nze gusaba abashitsi bacu bavuye imuhira baraduha abantu babiri bigira imbere.
And also I'm going to request among the patriots from our land, homeland, to give us 2 among them.
Abafite buje mwebwe murafata buje hanyuma abatumirwa cyangwa se abashitsi murabaha ibibiriti nibamara gucana murabona kubasingiriza buje.
Those who with candles, you're going to give the guests the matchbox. As after they light them, you're going to give them the candles.
Gerageze buri wese musingirize ikibiriti.
Make sure that each and every guest has his own matchbox.
Murabaha ibibiriti mugomane buje hanyuma nibamara kuzicana murabona kuzibasengereza.
You're going to remain with the candles. You give them the matchbox. After they light the candles, that's when you're going to give them the candles.
Imba harubura muraza kumbwira.
Let me know after you're done.
Umaze gucana muramusingiriza buje yacanye. Hanyuma ndaza gusaba ko twese twongera guhaguruka kugira ngo n'ubundi dukomeze twibuka abacu. Kubera ko twese n'ubundi tutabona urumuri cyarimwe murankundira baze kutuzibiriza amatara hanyuma buri wese urumuri akoresheje telefone yiwe. Yes, abari ku nanga rero baraza kudufasha bacogoza iyo nanga hanyuma tuze kongera gufata umwanya twibuka abacu bazize uko baremwe, turibuka twiyubaka nanone kandi duharanira yuko ibyabaye bitazigera byongera kandi kuba. Twibuka yuko turi mu mwanya wacu ndetse n'uwabo abatagihari.
Amaraso yanyu yapfuye mu mwijima ariko isi ntiyashoboye kuba. Imyaka irashira ariko ibikomere bisi bangana.
Murakoze cyane.
Thank you.
Abafite buje murahindukira muraza kuzishyira inyuma yawe.
Aracyavuga aya Mariya yazamva usa.
Ushobora gusubira mu zicaro.
Aya mateka.
Because we have guest speakers that we have invited.
Mu Gatumba turavuga umuntu umwe gusa.
So one of us is the one who's going to speak.
Kugira ngo tuje guha umwanya abashitsi n'ababone cyo batubwira kuri uyu munsi.
So that we can give the guest speakers ample time.
kubera ko ari twe duhagarariye iyi fondation,
since we are the ones chairing this foundation.
bimira ariko reka mvuge ko mwagize neza.
Commend you for coming and holding us and comforting us.
Abahagaze babuze ibyicaro muri hangana niko bimeze.
Those standing behind, we are so sorry.
Mugatumba ni ikintu cyabaye igikomere kuri nje mu mutima.
Gatumba became a very huge wound inside me.
Mu buryo ndashobora kuzibagirwa. Ubwicanyi bwabaye,
Feeling that is beyond words. When we fled from Gatumba, we went there in June.
intambara yari yabaye Bukavu hagati ya Nabiola na Leta Mutebutsi.
There had been a war in Bukavu between the people that he had just mentioned.
Hanyuma abasirikari byo bapfa ntabwo tubizi.
And we never knew where the soldiers came from.
Uko intambara yindi satira bageze mu Kamanyura abatura batangira guhunga.
The war came to us, that's when we started to flee.
Seriza yakira abana.
And UNHCR welcomed us just.
Banze ibyo haserize yezi impunzi.
They gave us the basic things.
Mamake cyane.
But we found little things to use.
Hanyuma ntarabona haseri yubakira amahema y'icatsi kibisi.
In history, I have out green tents.
Ariko niyo baduhaye.
But that's what they gave us.
Abandi babaheza amahema y'umweru.
And they gave others white tents.
Twanabasanzeho abantu baza bahunga bavuye za Tanzania.
So we were finding people from Tanzania and any other place.
Abagabo n'abahungu barengeje imyaka 18 nk'amayenga nkabiri cyangwa 3.
We slept out.
Bazana izindi za shitinge baratwubakira.
Then they brought other tents and we were able
kugira ngo
to
twese
build.
dukwirwe.
Everyone would sleep now separately.
Tutazi ko bafite ayo mahema y'icatsi kibisi kuba ikimenyetso cy'ubwicanyi.
We never identify us when killing us.
Igihe twese
Gathered in our tents.
baza kutubwira ijambo twaje kumenya nyuma tumaze gupfa.
A word that we came to know later on. Let's just sleep because there are cows around us.
Hanyuma haba nijoro tubwira ngo ducunge umutekano.
They would patrol the camp telling us that they are protecting us.
Bagariye mu saa 5 saa 6 z'ijoro.
And around 11 to 12 a.m.
gashinga igiti.
They would mount a stick.
Hanyuma bakacambika uniform.
And now go to their own camp.
Wabyuka kuko twatizabaga kure.
Once we woke up,
ubyutse nijoro ukabona igiti kirashinze bacambise twatwambika ibintu turimo turinda iwacu.
You would wake up and think that it's just
ukibwira ko ari umuntu waje gucunga umutekano.
And think that they are here to protect. We were alone and people had already fled.
Rero haba uwo munsi.
Later on,
tariki 13 muri hari giterane cyari cyateguwe.
We were to go in a congregation.
Muzi ko twese dusenga Imana.
We know that all of us are God-fearing.
Ngo habe mu ijoro amasasa aravuga saa 4.
So at night, that's when we had the gunfires.
Noneho amasasa atangiye kuvuga mu ijoro.
When they were bulleting and doing all those things,
twebwe twibwira ko ari zanka baje kwiba.
we told us that they are just doing the raidings.
Nyuma nibwo twamenye kuko abantu baje kutwica.
Later on, that's when we knew that they are here to kill us.
Bararasa.
They shot.
Bararasa.
They shot.
Bararasa.
And they shot again.
Amasasa arashira.
And the bullets were over.
Ngo amare gushira bara.
That they should kill us.
Ubugome bari bafite bazanye projecteur.
They had.
Aya matara twita hano ngo ni mulika mwizi.
They had the light that we usually call mulika mwizi here in Kenya.
Bayerekeza amwe aturuka kuri kaburimbo ayandaza mu nkambi.
And they lighted it across the camp where they could see us.
kandi baravuga ngo ntimuje muri ya mashitingi y'umweru ni bene wacu,
And they told us, don't go in the white tents, those are our
mugaruke
people.
muri ya mashitingi y'icyatsi niho duha twica aduyi.
Go to the green tents, that's where the people we are targeting are.
Baraprojeta
And then they projected.
haba ku manywa,
It became daytime.
usohotse wese uhunze bakamurasa.
Any person who could flee, they could shoot them.
Abageze mu Gatumba mu gitondo ya mirambo yose mwabonye yari yegereye kaburimbo,
So in the morning, all the corpses that you saw online,
ba bantu bishwe n'ahari hariho murika mu isi,
they were killed at the place where
baraturasa
they shot us
kugeza batangiye gutwika.
until they started.
N'uwagombaga kurokoka kubera bamurashe kwikwa na shitingi.
Was burnt down by the tents.
Hari umuryango baso
Was that our family they read called Team Baby.
umuryango wa Rukungugu,
That person of Rukungugu.
n'umumama bafashe baramubaga.
It's a woman they took and slaughtered.
Mukareta Nzabakiza, uwo Nzabakiza yarapfuye n'umugore wiwe na murumuna we.
That was the Nzabakiza's wife. And
Noneho
his
babura uko
brother.
bagira baravuga ngo reka tubage turebe umwana w'umututsi uko azayicara mu nda.
They said, let's kill this Tutsi kid because he is in her family.
Nyagazura baramubaga,
Nyagazura was slaughtered.
bakuramo umwana,
They removed the kid in her belly
baramwica.
and killed the baby, the unborn baby.
Umwana uri mu nda ngo barebe uko umwana
An unborn
w'umututsi ameze.
child.
Kandi uko mbaye mvuga niko bahoze bavuga.
Whatever I'm saying is what they were
Ubwo
it's the one they were using.
babuze Ikinyarwanda,
They spoke
bavuga
in Kibembe.
Igifurero,
They spoke in Gifurero.
bavuga amashi.
They spoke.
Izo
Used all those languages in that night.
ngo ko barakuza
Because we are Tutsi.
ko barakuza kubera ko uri umunyamurenge.
They were killing you because we were
Muri twebwe
Abanyamulenge.
ninde washatse kuba umunyamurenge?
Who wanted to become. Everyone found themselves in the family that they are in.
Bene data
They would
kubera
take a
kuko
family
yari
of 10
mukomezi.
children and kill them.
Ariko dufite Imana.
But we have God.
Abarokotse muri twebwe ubu nyine bamwe n'abaprofeseri
The survivors among us are professors,
kandi bigisha muri Amerika.
and they are teaching in America.
Abarokotse muri twebwe bamwe n'abapapa bafite ingo.
Those who survived are fathers, they have families.
Abarokotse muri twebwe bamwe n'abashumba
Some of our survivors are pastors,
bafite amatorero.
they have churches.
Mu mwaka ushize nabonye pasiteri warokotse
Last year I saw a survivor who is a pastor.
ashingira abana babiri barokotse,
He was marrying off 2 children who were
nawe
survivors.
yararokotse. Icyo gihe niwe wasigaye mu nzu umwe nyine mwarutekereza wenyine witwa Nkingi,
He is the one who had survived in his family.
ariko yashingiye umwana wa Maremo Gatoni n'undi bose ari abacika.
Who were survivors.
So abantu bavuga ko tutapfuye,
People who say that we were not killed.
abantu bavuga ko nta bwicanyi bwabaye,
Those who people who go to social media and deny the killings that happened.
mu bibogobogo baba mu Gatumba twese dufite imirara.
And the people who survived both in Gatumba and Biwogowogo are here.
Nabo babivuga bafite bene wabo baba muri iyo mirara babuze ababo.
The deniers also have families who are also survivors or who lost
Nimba
people.
umusita umunyabyinshi umusinzira uko ntamenye ariko ufite uwanyu wapfuye.
Whoever you are, you have a person who was killed in either of the killings.
Turasaba ubutabera
We request for justice
kugira ngo ababikoze barahari.
so that the perpetrators can be brought to books.
uwitwa Habimana yaravuze ngo nibo babikoze, yari umuvugizi wa FNL.
The person called Habimana admitted to doing it.
Arahari ubu nyine.
He is alive.
Agathon Rwasa ni wari perezida wa FNL Parmehutu, arahari.
Agathon Rwasa is.
Abashitsi batugendeye kuri uyu munsi.
Let us request our guests ability of being where we cannot be.
Tubinginge kugira ngo hazaboneke ubutabera.
Let the perpetrators receive the fate that they deserve.
Murakoze, Imana ibahe umugisha.
Thank you so much. We are sorry to everyone.
Nibihe bitoro.
Have God and He is with us.
Ndagira ngo nubundi tuze